Ever wondered if meal prep can actually help you lose weight? Well, you're not alone. Meal prep is more than just a food trend. It's a lifestyle choice that can potentially transform your health. It's all about controlling portion sizes, resisting the temptation of unhealthy foods, and saving time as well as money. It's like having your own personal chef who knows exactly what you need for your weight loss journey. So, let's dive into the process of meal prep and how it can aid in weight loss. Now, how exactly does meal prep work? I'm glad you asked. Let's break it down into 4 simple steps: planning, shopping, cooking, and portioning. Step 1 is all about planning. This involves deciding what meals you'll be eating for the week ahead. Consider a mix of proteins, carbs, and fats that align with your weight loss goals. Remember, variety is the spice of life. By planning, you can avoid unhealthy last-minute food decisions, which often lead to overeating or opting for processed, calorie-rich foods. Next up is shopping. With your meal plan in hand, head to the grocery store and stick to your list. Avoid aisles with tempting snacks and treats. They're not on the plan. By doing this, you're setting yourself up for success, filling your pantry and fridge with only the foods that support your health and weight loss goals. Then comes the fun part: cooking. Prep your meals in batches, saving you time and effort throughout the week. Cook multiple servings of each meal and store them safely. This way, you'll always have a healthy, home-cooked meal ready to go. This can help you resist the urge to order calorie-dense takeout when you're tired or short on time. The final step is portioning. This is where you divide your cooked meals into individual servings. By controlling your portions, you can manage your calorie intake more effectively, which is crucial for weight loss. Meal prep is not just about cooking. It's about planning and portioning meals effectively to aid in weight loss. It's a proactive approach towards food that puts you in control. You decide what goes into your body, when, and how much, making it easier to stick to your weight loss plan. If you're finding this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Remember, every little change begins with a step, so let's take this step towards a healthier lifestyle together. You might be wondering, how does meal prep actually aid in weight loss? Well, it's simple, yet incredibly effective. Firstly, meal preparation allows you to control your portion sizes. We all know how easy it is to overeat when we're served a large plate of food. But with meal prep, you decide in advance how much you're going to eat. You can portion out your meals into individual containers, ensuring you're consuming just the right amount. This way, you're not accidentally eating more than you need, which is often the case when we're not mindful of our portions. Secondly, having your meals ready to go reduces the temptation of reaching for unhealthy, convenient foods. We've all been there, arriving home after a long day, too tired to cook, so we order takeout or grab something processed from the cupboard. But if you've got a healthy, delicious meal waiting for you in the fridge, you're much less likely to give in to those unhealthy choices. And let's not forget about time. Meal preparation saves you time during the week that you can use for exercise or other activities that support your weight loss goals. Lastly, meal prep can also improve your overall nutrition. By planning and preparing your meals, you can ensure you're getting a balanced diet full of the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Meal prep can be a powerful tool in your weight loss journey, helping you control portions, resist temptations, and improve nutrition. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. We delved into the process of meal prep, understanding its importance in not just saving time and reducing stress, but also in controlling portion sizes and ensuring a balanced, nutritious diet. We discovered how this simple habit can aid in weight loss by preventing impulsive, unhealthy food choices and helping us stick to a calorie-controlled diet. But it's not just about weight loss. The benefits extend to improved health, increased energy levels, and a greater sense of well-being. And remember, each person's journey is unique. What works for one might not work for another. Remember, meal prep is not a magic solution, but it can be a powerful tool in your weight loss journey. It's all about finding what works best for you and sticking to it. For more helpful tips and personalized meal plans, sign up for our free Keto Kickstart in the link below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.